Today I'm in Karang. This is a big lake owned by the electricity company. The lake itself is about 8 kilometers long, and it's full of fish. And yeah, the local fish farmers, they do a lot of fishing here, and then their nets out. On Sunday you can come here and there's a fish market and you can buy fresh fish. Oops. I've got a sign here, it's Bendungan Lahore. I don't know what that's all about. It's about the fill here, and also about, I don't know, how much water's in the lake, this area, and things like that. So this is with my 360 camera. I hope it's going to work on YouTube today. And of course, with a 360 camera, you have the chance to be interactive and yeah, move around with the camera with me, 360 degrees. Okay, see you later.